I wish more people understood that addiction is far more than substance use. It's emotional, it's environmental, it's all of those things. So when you're going through treatment, once the detox is done, it's really about tackling why you're using substances to cope. What's going on, what's happened in your life that you've turned to these substances, and where's that void at, so we can figure out how to fill it with positive, meaningful things that you can take on for the rest of your life. We had one client who came in, she was from the East Coast. She was not very happy to be in treatment. It wasn't really her decision, which oftentimes goes for some people. But when she got in, we did our best, like we do with every client, to try to make her comfortable. She was very resistant to the treatment process in the beginning, didn't really feel like there was anything on her end that she needed to work on, and it was really everybody else in her life that needed to work on things. But once she started working with her individual therapist and really started to open up, she left a completely different person. She was so grateful and thankful for the process. She had learned so much more about herself, and with that, we do offer family sessions. So she was able to have sessions with her family members while she was here and her therapist. And ultimately, it led to her not only completing treatment with us, but then completing treatment at PHP level of care and IOP level of care before going back home. And now she has a friend who will be joining us as well, who's been struggling. So that, I think, is the most awesome part. It's one thing when someone leaves and they, say they had a great experience, but for them to trust us with the most precious people in their life shows that they really trust the care that they had here, especially when they were resistant at first.